In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate shapes in Lucidchart. This will be particularly useful when you're trying to neatly organize and align your diagrams exactly the way you prefer. So let's get started. First, you need to navigate to Lucidchart. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Lucid website URL, which is lucid.so, or simply click on the link if you have it bookmarked already. Once the Lucid website is open, you'll notice the Login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login phase. After clicking Login, you'll be presented with a few sign-in options. For simplicity, let's use the Sign Up with Google option. This method can save you time because it uses your existing Google account information, sparing you from having to remember yet another password. Click on Sign Up with Google, and you will be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the appropriate account from the list that appears, and follow any additional prompts to grant permission and finalize the sign-in process. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll land on the Lucidchart dashboard, which showcases recent documents you've worked on. Here, locate the document that contains the shape you wish to rotate. If it's not immediately visible, you might need to search for it, utilizing the search function for efficiency. Once you've found the document, click on Open to access your Lucidchart workspace. Now that you have your document open, direct your focus to the specific shape you need to rotate. Click on the shape and you'll see it become highlighted. When selected, a rotation handle will appear. This is typically a small, circular handle located at the top left corner of the shape, allowing you to adjust its orientation. To rotate the shape, click and hold the rotation handle. You can then drag it clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on the direction you want the shape to face. Take your time. For precision, you might want to rotate in small increments and pause periodically to assess the alignment. Keep adjusting until the shape reaches your desired angle. And there you have it. You've successfully rotated a shape in Lucidchart. Remember, mastering this simple skill can greatly improve the visual appeal and organization of your charts and diagrams. Whether you're working on a school project, a business presentation, or just a personal graphic, knowing how to manipulate shapes with precision can set your work apart. Congratulations on completing the task, and don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial if you need another walkthrough. Thanks for watching and happy diagramming.